Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden and Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. My name is Dr. Catherine Constant and I am the author of the books Lady Wisdom Speaks and Lady Wisdom Gives a Party, and I'm also the gardener of the garden Catherine's Garden of LWS. Well, we have been looking at seed starting and the whole idea of seeds. And I went to Dollar Tree and started to collect a lot of seeds, and I'm starting to think about planting seeds in the garden, not just using starts. And it just so happens that Dollar Tree allows us to purchase and try things out for minimal cost. But then if it works out, it can bring such abundance. And so I went back to Dollar Tree and I went to pick up some more seeds because I think there were some more seeds that I wanted to gather. But then also the next step in planting seeds, and especially planting seeds in pot, is that you need the dirt. So I've been watching the New Orleans gardener, Linda, and she has already started the process of planting seeds in pot. And so she encouraged me, just watching her has just encouraged me to go ahead and pursue this process and experiment and try. Why not?
As I promised, I wanted to come on and bring you part one of growing your balcony or your container garden using Dollar Tree seeds and all of their gardening supplies. Yeah.
Why not? And so I want you to just take a look at this at my day yesterday. It was such a beautiful day. The sun was shining. The Patriots had won the Super Bowl, and so it's just a lot of celebration happening in the city of Boston. And so I decided, well, let me get on out there and start to do something different. Just continue to work through this process of gardening and seed starting. So come with me as I actually visited 2 different Dollar Trees, and but my most success was at the second one. I've decided to come to the other Dollar Tree here in the neighborhood to see if I can find any seeds or any other things that they may have concerning gardening. So let's see if we have any success. At this Dollar Tree, they had a much better selection of flower seeds, alyssum and boxes, buttons, and I also saw some forget-me-nots here as well. There's marigolds and so forth, and zinnias, sunflowers. And so I think that, and dill, oh my goodness. Definitely going to get some dill. I think somebody put it in the wrong place. But I'm happy with the selection that they have to offer here with this. And then they have some other things here. A little bit more organized than the other one. And then they have the vegetables.
and I decided to get the potting soil instead of the seed starter soil.
I am now back from the Dollar Tree from picking up the soil and the other things. And I'm going to show you my haul, my second haul from the Dollar Tree. It should be interesting because I got some really good things. I went to the other Dollar Tree and actually had much better success with the amount of things that they had. They had a much wider selection of garden accessories and even seeds. So I'm going to show you my new haul from the Dollar Tree store. And then I think I'm going to get started in a little bit, probably the beginning of March, with seeds planting. So you're going to be able to see my seeds coming up. Or I might get inspired this weekend and plant the seeds. But in the meantime, I'm glad that I'm gathering all of the different materials that I need so that I could be successful. So I picked up soil and pots and seeds. Yep. So now the next step would be to plant. But for right now, I am very satisfied. Today is a beautiful day in February. Today is February 5th. And today is also the Patriots parade downtown in Boston, because the Patriots won the Super Bowl. Yeah. And the Lord has honored them with a wonderful, beautiful, sunny day. Isn't it beautiful out? It's like 50 degrees out today. Really a taste of spring. Wow, this makes me feel so happy. This is my haul from yesterday from the dollar store. And I got some more seeds. But the most important thing that I got yesterday was the potting soil, because this is the second step. So here are the items that I purchased with great success. And the second thing that we really want to think about is the soil. That soil without, you could have seeds, but seeds without soil, what good is that? Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Have you started the process of gathering your seeds and your soil? So the first step is the seeds, the second step is the soil. And then of course you need the containers to put them in. Have a great day. Happy planting. Bye.